Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you my implementation of StateManager and state stack for my project of physics engine. I am using C++ programming language and SFML library. So as I already said, the implementation is StateManager and state stack, and the feature of this implementation is I can make any kind of pause menu, main menu and different kind of menu we generally need for any kind of games. Let me show you a little quick peek of my implementation. This is my main menu implementation. You can see only two options here, that is play and exit. The red color will highlight which option I am going to pick. For now let me pick exit. This will just close the game, and if I select the play button, then it will load my gameplay state, and in gameplay state you know what I have already implemented. This is the implementation of pause menu. I have also implemented only two things for now. The exit will just exit, the resume will resume the game. So let me show you a little bit of good example here. So I will click the exit button, and the pause menu always preserve the previous state. When I exit the pause menu, it will just continue from the previous state. And in my case, my player was like here around the cursor, and if I click the exit button, the player will start to fall or move from that location, just like that. And I will just exit the game and show you how does my implementation works. So I have already told you what I have implemented in this system, that is StateManager and state stack. The state stack is a pure abstract class that I will inherit for my gameplay menu or gameplay state, main menu and pause menu state. And StateManager is a glorified stack implementation, and I will just tell you how they both work with each other. The state stack has 6 functions. Among them 4 are pure virtual and last 2 are virtual. The pure virtual function are load, process input, update, and the virtual function are pause and start. Just like these 2 are virtual function and these 4 are pure virtual function. As I already told you, the StateManager work like a stack, and when I execute my program like this, at the first I am defaulting my main menu to be at the top of the stack. While I am pushing the anything on the top of the stack, it will load everything that it need for its state, and the thing that is at the top will provide the process input, update, and draw function to my main loop. And the process input will take my input, update will update everything that we need to update, and draw will just draw anything on the screen, just like this. This is update, and you can already saw what it is drawing. So if I click the exit, it will just exit, and if I click the play button, the thing that happen here is the main menu will try to push gameplay state GPS for short, and the state manager first pop the main menu from the top and push the to at the top. So in this case, when it is at the top, first it will load everything that it need for resources, then it will also pass it process input, update, and just like this. While I am pressing ASD, it will move, and while I am pressing some other button, it will do it process input and and at the same time it is updating its position and drawing on the screen. About the pause menu state, when I click the escape key, the pause menu will appear, and the process that is happening right now is the gameplay state pass the pause menu state at top of the stack. In this case, StateManager will just push the gameplay state down and push the pause menu state at the top of the stack. And why it is not removing the gameplay state? Because for this pause menu state, I need the gameplay state to be at background, because I don't want to delete everything or every progress I have done in the gameplay state. And this is how the gameplay state is preserving inside the stack. And in the case of the main menu state, while I was pushing the gameplay state, I did not need the main menu state at that time, so I have release, replace or delete the main menu state. And in this case I have just push the pause menu state above the gameplay state. And this is how the pause menu state work. And and at the same time, when I click the escape key, just like this, it will just pop the pause menu state, and the gameplay state will be at the top of the stack. And the process of gameplay state will work. And this is how I implemented the gameplay state, main menu state, pause menu state in my project.